What's up guys, it's Ipe, and today I'm going to be talking about my camera setup. It's a question that I get every now and then. What camera do I use for skating and vlogging? So that is what I'm going to be explaining today. The camera that I'm currently using to film this video is the Canon G7X. I pretty much use this camera for all my vlogging videos. It's a very user-friendly camera because it has good autofocus. The audio kind of does suck, so I don't really film any skating with it, but I do like that this camera has like a wider frame because when you're vlogging it captures more in the background, you know what I'm saying? The zoom is very slow, so I don't use it for skating because I like to zoom with my skating videos. What I do love about this camera so much is that it's very portable or tiny. That's the main reason why I got this camera, so I can just pull it out whenever. It doesn't have a removable lens, so I don't have to keep switching lenses and all that stuff, so it's very easy to use. And because it's so tiny, I can pretty much take it anywhere. I can put it in my pocket. I like to use a shoulder bag, but you know, you can take these bags pretty much anywhere. It's not very tiring to carry like a backpack, so that's why this camera is very convenient. And you know, let's say you're using a camera like a DSLR. If you're vlogging like this, you're gonna cause so much attention or attraction. You might even distract people, and you might also come off as we're vlogging inside of a store with a big camera. But with a camera like the G7X, it causes less attention, so I think it's less trouble causing, you know. So that's why I do love this camera a lot. Going on to the next. This is the camera that I use. It's the Canon T3i. It is a pretty old camera, which I do need to upgrade sometime after this camera. Even though these products are both Canon, I would say the colors of these videos come out a little bit different. What's better for this camera compared to the G7X is there's different modes. You can take photos and all that good stuff, you know, with the flash. And with this camera, you can obviously do more because you can switch lenses. And yeah, this is pretty much just your standard DSLR, nothing special. But yeah, the lens that I have on here, which is the 18 to 55mm standard kit lens that it comes with. This one is decent. The autofocus isn't the best for this camera, I would say. You kind of have to like work with it. You really got to master your craft, you know. So yeah, I usually use manual focus for filming all my skating with this camera. It's very hard to zoom with this camera because you have to go like this and that, but over time with practice you'll kind of start to get it down, so you really have to master your craft. I would say if I was to vlog with this camera with this standard lens, this camera will capture way more. So that's why I like to vlog with this camera compared to this one. Another lens that I use for this camera is the fisheye. It is the Rokinon 8mm fisheye lens. This is the lens that I used to use all the time to vlog with my camera. So yeah, this one captures so much more compared to this camera, but I didn't really like that fisheye bubbly look for my vlogs. Every now and then I do use this lens just to vlog while I'm filming skating, but yeah, this is the lens that I use to film all my skating. I don't really take too many photos because I don't have too much knowledge with photography, but it is something I want to get into more. Yeah, if you guys don't know anything about skating, this is the lens to use, or any fisheye. All of them are pretty much the same. There are a few that are way more expensive, but the price range roughly 300 or something. This is another lens that I have that I pretty much never use. I got it for photos, but again, I don't really know anything about photography, so I don't really use it too much, which is the 50mm Canon lens. I've taken a few photos with it in Japan. Something cool about it is I think it was called the bokeh, but when you're close and then focus on something and then there's all that really crazy blurry background. I would say this lens is very great for that. I just really haven't got to using it. And then my phone. iPhone is a very convenient device to use for filming. I would say this one is great for vlogging as well. I don't really use my phone to film too much, but you know, when I don't have my cameras, it is very convenient to just be like, hey, I'm gonna whip out my phone and start filming, because iPhone cameras have very great quality lately. I do film a lot of my skating with my phone actually, if it's not for the street skating, if it's like a light edit for Insta or something, because iPhones, it actually has a very smooth zoom as long as you know how to work it. And again, with the distraction thing or the tension thing, if you don't want to carry around a shoulder bag or a backpack to carry this camera, you can just pull out your phone, and if someone tells you to stop filming, you just put it back right in your pocket, you know what I'm saying? So those are mainly the 3 cameras that I use. Yeah, if you guys do want to make videos, you guys should not just be like, oh, I don't have a camera to film with. Use your phone. It's a very good tool to use. Yeah, I'm actually gonna unbox this. I actually got a package from Creatopia, I believe. Wow, they sent a lot. Oh, they sent 3. That's so cool. Wow, this one is so sick. This is off-white. If you guys are hypebeasts and all that stuff, you guys know off-white. This is so sick. I'm definitely gonna put this one on this camera right now. And so yeah, what these are actually a camera strap, like this thing right here. These are very convenient, and if you don't want to carry a shoulder bag, you can just go like that and just walk around. And the reason why I like using a camera strap, a lot of people don't know about cameras or when it's recording. And let's say you're getting in trouble for filming, like I said, because some people don't like it when you're filming. But if you have the camera strap on and not touching the camera, you can still record because your camera kind of would just be pointing up. And you know, while I'm just talking like this, because the camera strap's on, it's like, oh yeah, like this guy's definitely not recording, you know what I'm saying? So that's why I definitely think these are convenient. So yeah, if you guys want to go buy some, and if you guys want to look good while you have that camera, and like, you know, I ain't trying to flex, but if you're trying to flex, definitely cop these. I believe there's a coupon code for this, link in the description. I believe it's ePay20 if you guys want to get, assuming it's ePay20, 20% off. And I also forgot to mention that I use this camera handle to film all my skateboarding lines with a fisheye. So yeah, that will stabilize or make your filming easier for filming lines for skateboarding. And one last thing, if you guys aren't updated with my brand at Borderline Worldwide, go follow it. I am going to be releasing new clothes in about 2 weeks, I believe, once I get everything handled. It is the standard black and white t-shirt. I think a lot of people were looking forward to this one, and you know, I'll just release the new design, and the back has a bigger one. So yeah, hopefully you guys are looking forward to it, and I can't wait to post the video going along with it. And yeah, I'm actually doing a sticker giveaway right now for the new launch right here. The giveaway is already going on right now. I'm gonna be picking winners every day until Friday at Borderline Worldwide. Rules are on the last post, so if you guys want to support me or even get free stickers, make sure you guys go follow the page and check out the giveaway. And again, thanks to Creatopia, go check them out as well. If you guys want to look fly, go buy that stuff. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks yo, peace out.